I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Efficiency is the backbone of any successful trade. Let's look at how to master your digital office today.
In this video, we show you how to attach a file to a fixed asset. Files can be attached to draft or registered assets. In the fixed asset register, select the fixed asset you want to attach a file to. We'll choose Drone. Next, click on the Attach Files menu and then click Upload Files. Select the file you wish to attach and click Open to attach the file. Then click the cross to return to the fixed asset register. To attach a file to a registered asset, click the Registered tab. Then select the fixed asset you want to attach a file to. We'll choose Office Chair for this example. Click the Attach Files drop-down and then select Upload Files. Select the file you want to attach and click Open. Then you can click on the Fixed Assets breadcrumb to return to the fixed asset register.